Welcome to Armida's Comidas. I am going to be making a recipe in the Instant Pot. It's an easy one. I went in search of trying to find a macaroni and cheese that I liked, and well, of course, you guys knowing me, I have to create my own. So I will be using 1 pound of elbow macaroni. I'm going to be using 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to be using a half a cup of milk, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, cheese. I'll be using pepper jack cheese because I want that little kick in there, and the little spice in there, and then sharp cheddar. That's what I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be using diced green chiles from my recipe. Okay, the first step that I'm going to go ahead and do is add 1 pound of macaroni, elbow macaroni, into the Instant Pot. I'm measuring because this is a 2 pound and I don't want to put 2 pounds in there. You're going to love this recipe, it's so easy. The next step is you're going to use 4 cups, which is a whole box of this chicken broth that you just pour in there. Very easy, very simple. Anybody can make it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up a little. Make sure that the macaroni is all covered with the chicken broth. Okay, yep, it's done, it's mixed well. The next thing is I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Okay, the lid is on. I'm gonna hit manual, and I am going to set it for 4 minutes. I'm gonna wait for it to do its job as it starts building up pressure. There it goes, and I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay, it has beeped, and I'm going to open it. I'd already had to let it release too before I'm opening this, making sure it was safe to open. Okay. I am going to stir it. I'll bring it up closer so you can see. I will do my best at least. Well, it's kind of hard, but I will show you after. I'm gonna mix up all the macaroni. Make sure loosen it up. Make sure it's all loosened up. The next step that I am going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my last ingredients, which are, the butter, the milk, the chilies, and the cheese, and salt and pepper. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna hit the saute button. It's gonna say 30 minutes. Then what I'll be adding is it is on. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna mix it, make sure it melts really well. I want it to melt. About done. I will go ahead and add the half a cup of milk. I am going to go ahead and add salt to taste. You don't have to add a lot because you already have the chicken broth, so, and it's the salted kind. some black pepper. To taste, but I like a lot of pepper, so I'm gonna do that. I might add some more after. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese. Mix that up well. Letting it melt. So this is a creamy mac and cheese. You can always put it in a casserole pan and put it in the oven if you like, but I like it like this. I don't mind it not being baked. I will now add the diced green chiles. And I might add a little bit, I will taste it first too, some salt, because these chiles did not have any salt in them. But I will let you know. Oh, it's looking so good. So easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's hot. It's yummy. I just need a little bit more salt. And you don't have to. You guys know I like salt, so I'm using the Himalayan pink salt, but you can use, you know, your favorite kind of salt or no salt at all. Okay, it is done. I will show you how it looks. Okay, you guys, this is how the mac should look. Like I always tell everybody, if you don't like a certain ingredient, don't add it. If you want to add your more ingredients, go for it. Once the recipe is in your kitchen, it's your recipe. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.